So good evening everyone. In this activity number 3 or topic number 3, in this video I will demonstrate how to perform a cross-site scripting attack or XSS using a verb suit. We'll find a vulnerable input field, inject a malicious payload, and see how it can execute a JavaScript in the browser. Finally, I'll explain the real-world risk of XSS, including the session, hijacking, and malicious script injection. So, sabi dito, find a search or input form. Okay, so first of all, open na muna natin si Verbsuit. Next lang natin and start. Okay, so after opening the Verbsuit, punta tayo sa proxy. And then, i-off na lang muna natin si intercept. So, dito, we can do open the browser. And then, we gonna use still the firetest.net or firesite.net or the Altoro Mutual. Okay, so, search natin dito, ano lang site yun? Ito, testfire.net. So, testfire.net. So, dito sa testfire.net, ang sabi dito sa ano natin is locate a search bar or comment box or any input field. So, ito, meron tayong search bar dito. Then, in Verbsuit, capture the request when submit the data. Modify the data field with the existing following CSS payload. So, dito, naka-off siya. Then, punta muna tayo sa browser natin. Then, test natin. Then, before natin i-click yung go, punta tayo sa Verbsuit. Intercept, i-on natin. Then, naka-on na yung intercept natin. Then, saka natin i-go. So, as you can see, nag-highlight siya dito. And, because there is a request na. Kasi pinindit natin yung go. So, as you can see dito is yung query equals to test. So, dito yung search natin is equals to test. Ngayon, sabi dito, modify the data field with the following XSS payload. So, i-modify natin yung data field na yun or yung search natin. Ilalagay natin to. So, first is, punta muna na tayo dito para makita natin kung anong mangyayari. Then, tayo dito. Okay, so, balik tayo sa my Verbsuit. Sa my Verbsuit, okay, so, ito yung query natin or yung search natin which is yung test. Ngayon, sa data natin, gagawin natin siyang make sure na sa URL encoding tayo. Ilalagay natin yung ito, yung script. So, ipipaste natin siya dyan. So, script equals alert is XSS attack. So, pagka in-apply natin yung changes, as you can see, nag-iba siya dito. Is yung XSS na yung nandito or yung script XSS attack. Then, pagka forward natin, panoorin nyo kung anong mangyayari dito sa may ano. Pagka forward natin, ayun. So, as you can see dito, it says XSS attack. Then, click natin yung okay. So, yun. In the request interception and injection, I intercepted the request from the search bar using the Verbsuit. Then, replace the query with the script. Then yung alert. Then, XSS attack script to inject any scripting before forwarding into the server. But we can also make that in here itself because is di mo hindi pa secure tong site na to. So, parang ito lang yung pinagtitestingan yung Alter Mutual. Then, if you click go. Okay, so nag-highlight siya dito because naka-on pa yung intercept natin. Pagka enough natin, oops, ba't na-close? Okay, pagka enough natin yan, it's still the same XSS attack. So, lagay ulit natin. Pagka lagay natin dito, then click yung go. Yun, XSS attack. So, ulit. And also, we can also make that script in here. So, yung query, paste lang natin siya dyan yung script. Then, enter natin. XSS attack. So, yung XSS alert pop up after forwarding the request. The browser displayed a pop-up alert proving that the site executed the injected script and it is vulnerable to reflected XSS. And lastly, how XSS can be used maliciously. So, XSS can let attackers steal session cookies, deface web pages, or run harmful scripts in the user's browser, leading to account hijacking or data theft. So that's it for my topic number 3 or activity number 3 or lab exam number 3. Thank you very much.